I know it's been a while since I've been doing these videos. I kind of just been burnt out and needed a break mentally and physically, just needed a break from doing stuff. But I'm going to try to come back. Some of you guys really enjoy these videos, some of you don't. But you know what? I just do it because I like talking to myself. So anyways, here we got the buy two, get one free of the soda, $6.49. So you guys will pay $13 for 3 packs of pop. I would not do that. That is not the greatest deal. But in case you need that, the Arizona tea is 2 for $1 in case you need any filler items for the register rewards that you are using. We have the Scott's paper towel and toilet paper and Kleenex. Those are always going to be $5. It's a $5 sale, but then there is a $1.25 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet, making it $3.75. And then there might be a $1 off digital. There was one for this week. I'm not sure if it's still valid this week or not. But in case you guys need to get that, definitely go ahead for $2.75. I think that's a pretty good deal. The Dove body wash, Then we here have the Crest toothpaste for $2.99. We are getting a digital for 3 off of 2, making them $2.98. You get a $2.50 register reward, making them just 48 cents, and there could be some Ibotta deals. Now, there's also another Crest deal that's up ahead that's not the greatest, but it's usually just one coupon, and they give you different scenarios that you can do that coupon for. Here we got some makeup, buy one, get one 50% off, nothing really popping up. Alcohol, yeah. Nutella is $2.99. We are getting a $1.50 off coupon for that. That is a regional coupon. I know that for a fact. But you guys could get that for basically $1.49 if you guys need some Nutella. My family eats Nutella. I do not, but I still get stuff for my family. Here we got some snacks. Nothing really popping out here. But they have the Godiva candy 2 for $5. Now there was some deals in Ibotta, but it ends today. So hopefully there's a reset or something that we can do. But yeah, definitely, hopefully something can pop up like that. Snickers, we do have some 50-cent off coupons that we were able to print. There might be some digitals for 99 cents, but you guys might be able to get those for 75 cents a piece. We'll have to see what the coupon is. Palmolive, $2.49 with a 50-cent off coupon, making it $1.99. The Nice brand trash bags are $5.99. Here we got some toys. They say that they basically put them in the ad because they want people to think that you're getting something on sale or something, but it just says right here, regular price $2.99 to $9.99. So yeah, it just makes people think that toys are on sale, but they're really not. Most of you guys know how to read the ad. Some of the stuff they just have in here every single week. But yeah, so here we have the Colgate. If you spend $10 or more, you'll get a $5 cash rewards. Scope here is $3.99. And then there is that 3 off of 2 digital coupon. So it is either or, but then you get a $3 register reward when you buy 2. So you guys would pay $4.98, get that register reward, makes it $1.98. So don't do this deal unless we can get some Ibotta deals for it, but we will see. The Gillette razors and the Venus razors are buy one, get one 50% off, and then there is a spend 20, you get a $5 register reward. The King C Gillette, this is like going on the same time all the time. Spend 20, you get a $10 cash rewards. And then these disposable razors and Gillette deodorant, if you buy 2, you get a $4 cash reward if you guys need that. Lotions, buy 2, get the third one free. Makeup, if you spend $20 or more on cosmetics, nails, and accessories, you guys will get a $5 register reward. Plus, with the Revlon and the Almay, it looks like there might be some digital coupons. They're buy one, get one 50% off with the digital coupons. Plus, you guys get a $5 register reward, and you guys can submit to Ibotta if that deal is still valid, to make it some money makers and get some freebies. So yes, Rimmel is 40% off. We do have some dollar off coupons if you need to do that. The Axe is 2 for $8, but we do have a buy one, get free deodorant. I wouldn't do that unless we got some better coupons. Nivea is 2 for $12. I do know we have some coupons for that, and you'll get a $2 cash reward when you buy 2 of them. So if you guys are Nivea savvy or whatever. TRESemmé is 2 for $8. We are getting a digital coupon for 5 off of 2, making them $3 or $1.50 a piece if you guys need to go ahead and do that. Now here we're going to the feminine products, the diapers, vitamins, medicines. All this stuff is either buy one, get one free or buy one, get one 50% off. It's the same sales all the time, over and over and over again. You guys can definitely check out the website and see the ad if you guys need to check some of that stuff out. But that is the ad. Not much else going on, but I just wanted to share with you guys on that. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys later.